There's something so unmatched with London in the rain. Obscured reflection collecting in the potholes, the blossoming conversations under a shared umbrella, shoes almost built to let the water in, an overflow of drains reminiscent of the rivers we travel to see. How it seems the sky is bearing its soul. It's weeping, bleeding, and how we shudder at the inconvenience of it all. Scattering the dotted collections of people under shelters far too small, the promise of forced conversation, we are nudged into connection. In the sun we shan't spare a second glance. There's something so unmatched with London in the rain.